Welcome, guys, to another class of mastering the art of forex trading. To remember your coach Jeremiah Nwakeze. So, guys, in this video, in this class, I'll be teaching on how to create a demo account. How to create a demo account, and also in this video, I will be explaining. Yes, I will be explaining the topic. I'll also be teaching on a topic called understanding the Meta 5 MT5 Meta 5 interface. So the Meta 5 interface is just simply this trading app. It is called Metatrader 5. So if you've not downloaded it, you can head over to your Google Play Store if you are using an Android like me, and whatever phone you are using, and you know where you download your apps. So you just go over there and type in Metatrader 5, and this app will be made available on your phone. So when you click on the app, you might not be seeing this account right here. I know you are seeing this account of $10,000. You might not be seeing this account here because of you have not created any account yet. So before we head over to creating of account, I want to let you know what a demo account simply means. A demo account is like a practice account. A demo account is people usually refer it to as paper money account. When you create the account, this app will give you a sum of money, an amount of money. It could be $10,000, it could be more than, but it's not a real money. So don't don't think you are receiving a big amount of money for free. So they'll just be giving you a huge amount of money. It is not real. It's just for you to practice and test your skill. It is used to practice your trading skill. It helps you like trade, make profit, make losses, but it has nothing to do with real money. When you lose money, you are not losing any real amount of money, and when you make profit, you are not making any real profit. You cannot withdraw it, you cannot do anything with the money. It's just a money made available for you to gain experience in the forex market until you are matured. Then you then open a real account. A real account is when you'll be opening, sometimes it is usually referred to as a live account. It is when you'll be opening a real account whereby you will deposit your own amount of money, whereby you deposit your capital. Maybe probably you want to start little, as low as $50, or you want to start as low as $100 or $200 or $500 or $1,000, depending on your capacity. Okay, depending on your capacity. But I usually advise traders that you can actually start with as little as $50, or you can start with $100. $100 is a perfect amount of money to start, but if $100 is too much for you, you can start with $50, because one of the benefits of this class is that after the whole teaching, you have a lifetime access to mentorship, lifetime access to trade ideas. That is, whenever I want to trade, whenever I want to enter a buy or a sell trade on my own personal account, I can also share it with you so that you can join me in that trade and make profit if the trade goes in our direction, and whenever the trade does not go in our direction, we make little loss. But that is, by the way, it should not hinder you from learning how to trade yourself, because I can tell you one of the best thing you can do for yourself in relating to your finance is learning how to trade the forex market like a professional, because when you have that knowledge, you are good to go to make profits, to make money anytime, any day, wherever you are in the world, as long as you have an internet connection, a laptop or a smartphone, or an iPhone if you use an iPhone. So guys, that is by the way. Let us head over to creating a demo account. So as you can see right here, you can see this plus arrow on the top of my screen, the left hand side. The right top of my screen. So you just click on that top right there. So it asks for a broker. Remember, I already created a video concerning a broker and what a broker does. And remember what I said? I said I recommended a broker that I have been using for the past 4 years now, and the broker as well has been in existence for over 15 years. So they have proven their credibility, and they've been reliable for the past years of their existence, and since when I started using the broker. But that is by the way. When we get over to the lesson, to the class of where I will be teaching how to create a real account, I'll be teaching you on how to create an account with Xness, because Xness is the broker. But you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry. I know there are some persons that are usually very curious, as I am, but you don't have to worry about anything. I want to encourage you, just take the lesson step by step and just learn everything that is before you, so that you would be able to understand and gain mastery. So you'll be seeing this thing right here, this broker titled Metaquote. So it is the one you'll be clicking. All you have to do is just to click on Metaquote right there, and it will bring you right here. As you can see on the top of the screen, you see open a demo account. So as you can see right here, they said log into an existing account, but obviously you don't have an existing account. So all you have to click is you just tap on this open a demo account, so that it brings you right here. So as you can see right here, these are my details already written here before. So you can see right here the first name, the second name, the phone number, the email. So these are the places you have to fill. The place written account information, this place right here below your email, all of them are intact. You don't have to touch anything right there. Okay, you don't have to touch anything right there. What you should be doing is to fill in your first name. As you can see, my first name is already there, and your second name, my surname, is already there. So you input your phone number. As you can see, my phone number is already there, and you put in your email. Because they will always reach out to you. They can tell you that okay, you've created an account. They can send you that as an email. So after that, all you have to do, if here is not tapped, this use edge in trading, if it is not tapped, you can tap on it. When you tap on it, it will indicate a blue color. So the next thing you have to do is, another thing is, if you want to choose the amount of capital you want them to give you, as you can see at this last place right here, written deposits. So you can tap on the arrow, that arrow pointed down, and you can choose the amount of capital you want them to give you. Remember that this money is not real. It's just for your practice. So I can probably leave it at this $10,000 right here. So the next thing you want to do is to click accept. As you can see, accept is here. You just have to click on that box, and when you click box, the blue indication would show, and immediately you click your access, it will give you the access to register. So all you have to do after clicking this place, all you have to do is to tap in your register. So as soon as you tap in the register, a demo account will be created for you. So this is it right here. All these things are displaying for you to just have a full knowledge of what your demo account will look like. So on the top of the screen, it's still showing my name, it's still showing my second name, it's still showing my account type, it's showing the amount of deposit that I chose by creating the account. So as you can see right here, you can see new account successfully created. So this is your password right here. So this is your login, this is your login, and this is your password right here. So you don't have to worry about this investor, you don't have to worry. So after doing this, you might probably click here You might click here on the right top of your screen to copy these details, because you might probably need this login and your password some other time. So if you don't want to like hold it down, if you want to have the your login and your password saved somewhere, you can just click at the top right hand of your screen and copy your details. All your details will be copied, and probably you can go to the notepad of your phone and write it down. Or still, if you want to write it in a physical place, you can pick up a book you know you will always visit, or you visit often, and you're writing these details down. So after this, the next thing you want to do is to click done. Okay, and a demo account is already created. As you can see, this is the new demo account that I have created. So as you can see, this is the demo account. Now my demo account with the $10,000 US dollars capital, which I chose from the beginning, has been created. So I'm done with all about creating a demo account. So I'll be talking on the next topic. Remember, I said I'll be treating 2 topics on this. Sorry about that. On this class, on this video. So I'll be heading over to the next topic, which is understanding MT5 interface. Remember what I said? Remember what I said about MT5? MT5 simply means Metatrader 5. So understanding Metatrader 5 interface is just all about understanding this app, how it works, how to understand it, and how to find your way, navigate yourself through the app. So the next thing I want to show you is at the bottom of the screen. So as you can see at the bottom of this screen right here, you can see where it is written quote. If you click there, you will find all your currency pairs. You will find your currency pairs, like the currency that you'll be trading with. You will find them right there. And if you click on chart, sorry about that. So if you click over to your chart, you will find your those candlesticks. Remember I talked about the green and the red candlesticks. So when you click there, you go over there. Let's take it one after the other. So I'll be clicking on quotes right now. So I've tapped on quotes. So remember what I said about quotes. It will take you to the list of currency pairs that are available. As you can see, Euro USD is here, GBP USD is here, USD CHF is here, USD JPY is here. So when you click on quotes, it just simply takes you to the list of all the currency pairs. So for example, the currency pairs you want to trade is not found here. There are places you can go to look for those currency pairs. So what you do is at the top right hand of your screen, this cross or this plus sign, you tap on it and you click Forex, and you can see different currency pairs. You can see them. So if it is odd card, Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar, if that is the currency pair you are actually looking for, all you have to do is to tap on it, and immediately you tap on it and you go back, you will notice that it has been added. As you can see right here, it is added at the bottom. As you can see, this is odd card right here. Okay, so this is basically where you would find your list of currency pairs to trade from. So over to the next one right here, which is charts. This is where you find your candles. Let me click on it. This is where you find your candlesticks. Remember what I said, it is through the charts, it is through studying the chart that you find when to buy and when to sell. Okay, it is through this chart you use to make your analysis, to forecast when a currency pair will soon rise and when a currency pair will soon fall. So you don't have to worry about the analysis. It is usually called technical analysis. I have created a video where I will be teaching all of this, a very interesting part, so you don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is to follow along with this class. So here is where you can find your charts on, remember what I said, you find your chart here to know when to buy and when to sell, just to do your focus. So I'll be speaking on so many things right here. Okay, so this chart is a chart of Euro USD. As you can see right here, this is Euro USD. So if you want to look at the chart of maybe another currency pair like GBP USD, all you have to do is to tap on this Euro USD right here at the left hand side, the top of your left hand side of the screen. You just have to tap it, and when you tap it, the list of your currency pairs that you currently have will pop up. So if it's GBP USD, if it's the chart of GBP USD you want to look at, all you have to do is just to tap on GBP USD, and the chart will automatically change to the chart of GBP USD. So that is how that works. Okay, and when you want to buy, when maybe for example after you've done your analysis and you have seen that the currency pair is about to rise, meaning you want to buy, right? So if you want to buy, all you have to do is to click here. Yes, to click here, right here. So you just click there and you can see buy on your right hand side, you can see sell on your left hand side. So all you have to do is to click your buy. So this is not a live account, my money is not in this account, so I'll just be teaching you how to do that. Remember I talked about lot size. As you can see, currently it is in 0.01 lot size. If probably you want to use 0.0, maybe 0.02 lot size, you can tap here, continue to tap it for it to increase. If you want to reduce your lot size, you can continue to tap here for it to decrease. So for example, you want to use 0.10 lot size to enter a trade. Yes, 0.10 lot size, you can see it as 0.1. It is usually written 0.1. Or for example, you want to use 0.11 lot size, so this is it right here. So sorry about that. So after setting your lot size and it is time to buy, all you have to do is to click this buy button. So I will just do that right now. So this is it right here. So they said one click trading, I should accept. All I want to do is to accept and press OK. So I will click on the buy again, and as you can see, my broker has entered a buy position for me. Immediately I click buy, my broker has entered the buy. So you might be wondering, how will I know if my trade is going in profit or is going in loss? How will I monitor it? You go over to this this bottom that is written trade right now. So you click on that place. Once you click there, that is where you will monitor your trade. So as I go there now, this is, as you can see, my trade is already running in profit of 0.99 cents. So my trade is running in profit now. It is $1 plus $1.54. So remember I clicked on buy. So as I clicked on buy, right, I clicked on buy. So as long as the market keeps going up, my profit will be increasing. But when the market start coming down, because of, remember my forecast, my analysis is buy, meaning the price will go up. But whenever the price is no longer going up and the price start coming down, you will start noticing that I will start making loss here. My balance will no longer be in profit. You will start seeing, instead of it showing blue, to start showing red, and it will be showing minus. When it's showing minus, a negative balance, it simply means that I am making loss in the forex market. So as you can see, this place written up here, you can see balance. Balance is just my capital. Okay, as you can see right here, you see minus. Now you can see minus 0.11, 0.22. It simply means I'm already making loss. Now why am I making loss? Is because of the market is coming down. The market is no longer going up in my direction. The market is actually coming down. That is why I am making loss. So as you can see, the balance here just simply means my capital, how much did I use to fund. As you can see, the broker, the demo capital they gave me was $10,000. So this equity simply means your capital. If you are making profit, it is plus your profit. If you are making loss, it is minus your loss. So as you can see, I am currently making a loss of $1.65. If you do $1 okay, now currently $2. Okay, if you do the amount of loss, this amount of loss you are seeing right here, if you minus it from, if you subtract it from your capital, which is $10,000, you will notice that you will get this amount right here. This equity amount is the price you'll be showing. So your equity simply means your capital. If you are in profit plus your profit. If you are in loss, your capital minus your loss. So that is what the equity simply means. The rest you don't have to worry about, the margin, the free margin, and the margin level. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so over to the chart. As you can see, if you tap on your screen, you can see this arrow, you can see this circle, blue circle coming up on your screen. So what this simply means is showing your time frame. I know I've not touched on time frame, but you don't have to worry about that when we move to the class I've designed for time frame. I'll be teaching you on what time frame simply means. So this M1 you are seeing right here is 1 minute time frame. This M5 is 5 minutes. This M15 is 15 minutes. M30 30 minutes. H1 1 hour. H4 4 hour. D1 daily. W1 weekly. MN monthly. So you don't have to worry about that. So if I go over to our trade, you can see our trade is running in profit already. So as you can see, our equity has increased. Why our equity is different from our balance is because our balance plus our profit will give us what our equity will look like. So I am making profit, that is why my capital has increased with $1 plus. But if I'm making loss, my capital will be reduced by the amount of loss, and it will be showing in my equity. So guys, that is, I've talked about quotes, I've talked about charts, I've talked about trade. Now over to history. History just simply means history just simply shows your past transactions. So for example, if I entered some trades like yesterday or today or last week, you will see them right here. For example, I entered a sell trade or a buy trade on different currency pairs as at yesterday or as at last week. You will see them, all of them will be indicated here. Or for example, if I should deposit money in my account, all of them will be showing right here. As you can see right here, balance $10,000. It just simply tells that there was a deposit of $10,000 right here. So history just tell you the activities of your account. Yes, the activities of your account. So this message, you don't have to worry about it. It is irrelevant. So guys, this is basically how the trading app looks like. This is basically how the trading app looks like. So this is how it works. I believe okay, let me close this trade because it was just an example. So for example, I close this trade right now. See, my trade is closed. If I go over to trade, you will see that there is no longer trade running. Remember what I said, this section of trade is to show you if you are in a trade, if you are running in profit, or if you are running in loss. And if I should go over to my history, as you can see, if I should go over to my history, you can see my history told me that I have entered a trade before now, as you can see right here. So once you enter trade and you close your trade, when you enter trade, close your trade, be it last week, last month, or last year, all of them will be indicated right here. So okay guys, we have come to the end of this class. I believe you all, with all I have said, you all have gained understanding on how to create a demo account and also how to use this app effectively well. So guys, I will meet you all in our next class. Remember what I said, I need your commitment, I need your diligence, I need your commitment. If you want to really master the art of trading, I have my role to play, you also have your role to play. My role is to give you the right knowledge, and your role is to ensure that you participate in the class, you participate in the assignments, and you give yourself to practice. There is something I used to tell my students. Yes, there are things I used to tell my students. In the previous batch of forex trading I did for some students, I used to tell them that practice is needed for you to gain mastery in the forex market. You have to continue practice. So guys, watch this video over and over again for you to have a firm understanding. And if there is any question at all, the group chat is always open for you to drop your questions. So goodbye for now guys.